Hey guys, welcome back. DeFi, degens, drip, and farm for poverty. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all Forex Shark related projects. And today's video, just giving you a quick update on the injections that we got for this week, January 25th. And we're going to also cover the macro Bitcoin kind of market and analyzing what two of the top analysts say in the space regarding are we in a bull or a bear market. So let's jump right into that and cover these really quick. So Forex put this in his Forex Shark calls. We had 2 million worth of dogs burned this morning, 110,000 of BUSD and 150 BNB animal farm dog buybacks. So remember, you can always check these on the blockchain and verify that this is indeed actually taking place. Now, the big thing I want to tell you guys about, or what you should be on the lookout for, is that right now, the bulk of the injections that we're getting into the pig pen, so you see this 110,000 injection, and it comes from the wallet I labeled Farm Transfer Reward Wallet. When you break that down, you'll find that 30,000 of it was here, and then 87,000 here, and the bulk of this actual injection, which you can actually see over here as well, came from what they call others, right? So it's not actually coming from dog taxes, and it's not actually coming from the fees on the farm. Just a quick message, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video. This helps bring brand awareness to the channel as well as all Forex Shark related projects. Thank you. So what I mentioned to you guys before is that the farm is really a place where people get in and stay. So especially if we are in a deflationary or restricted period, people are not going to be bouncing around, right? Farm is meant for you to get in, stake your liquidity, and then print a little bit higher APR than you would from, or a lot higher than you would from your traditional bank. So that means if people are not moving in and out of these farms, then farms and pools, then that means there are not that many fees being generated. You can see that from here. We also now see that the dog taxes have kind of died off, and the dog price has stabilized at 28 bucks. I thought it would have gone lower, but there was not a big sell-off once we got to the 75% or higher. Everybody bailed at 50 to 60%. So that would mean, again, hypothetically, that we have found the bottom of dogs, because this is the big disclaimer I want to share with you guys, is that the bulk of this money, this inflow, is coming from him breaking apart the dog LPs and burning one half of the dogs, and then getting the BUSD or BNB for the other half. So you can see here on the Farm Reward Wallet, here's 3,471 of the BUSD dogs. Then there's 2,000 of the wrap BNB dogs. There's another 3,000 of the dogs. Remember, I told you guys in another video that there's 12 million worth of liquidity at that dog's price of that video, which could have been a little higher than now. But point being, there's multiple millions. Now, he said he would be using this primarily for dogs, but actually what I think he's doing is he's using it for dogs in regards that when he breaks apart the LP, he can actually burn the dogs, so that helps the dogs, but he's left with the liquidity from the other side. So he's taking that and putting that into the pig pen. So by itself, this will be able to carry on for quite some time, keeping us in this probably 10 cent to 15 cent range. It also will depend on how many pigs get added. But remember, I told you guys that in my previous video that we could see a 10 cent pig, and people thought that that was FUD. But we're going to see this range of 10 cent to 15 cents because the liquidity that he's adding, he's doing it slow and steady. And that was what he was referencing here. Tons of dry powder. This is a marathon, not a race. So he's not going to dump all this in. And I think he's slowly kind of finding what the minimal amount is to keep people kind of satisfied. And we're seeing this 200,000, 110 kind of range. Now, granted, whenever he does get the stable pools allocated on, say, Stargate or Seller or any swap, then we'll start to see additional fees coming in. But I think we are going to hover in this range of about, like I said, 10 to 15 cents per pig. And especially as he keeps the injection capital about this rate. And that will also mean that the dogs will probably hover around the 25. You might see the lowest is 25 to 30. So I think it's going to kind of stabilize. And That's just some info for you to project what you plan on doing in the future, especially if we remain in this restricted range. So just want to share that with you guys so you can get a better insight and kind of put all the pieces together of what he's doing and how that actually works and where this capital is coming from. So there's tons of dry powder, as he alluded to. And since it's supporting the dogs token and the pig pen, then those are the clear long-term plays. And I think he's going to try to spread this money out all the way up until we hit the next bull run. Let's run some quick numbers here. Let's just say it's 10 million in dry powder divided by, we'll go 150,000 as the average that he injects. That gives him 66 weeks that he could keep this going with $150,000 injection. So, and that's what we've been seeing him do. So you could look at this easily running for another year. And that's just with the liquidity on the dogs token. That does not count what we can get from the actual farms and pools. So the animal farm is the stable play, and I think with all the other stuff he's building on top, we'll definitely see it be here for the long run. It does appear to be this forever farm. The mechanics are sound. There's nothing that can get in the way other than Binance itself blowing up. So let's keep our fingers crossed that doesn't happen. But I think once this is in play, that means we'll finally start to see some attention on the drip network and things get developed for that, because this will be very, very sustainable, especially if he also automates these injections and dog buybacks with the capital that he has on side. So looking forward to see that. All right, next up, a quick summary of this. So I listened to Savvy Finance. It's a great way to get latest market updates, things of that nature, what's happening in crypto. I'm not going to play this whole video for you. It's 13 minutes. But in this video, you got basically two crypto analysts arguing both sides of the market that we're in. So you may have heard some different opinions floating around, with some analysts saying we're in a new bull market and others saying we're not quite there yet. Well, in this video, they were diving into the arguments of two popular analysts, Plan B and Gareth Soloway, to get a better understanding of what they believe the market is headed towards. Plan B, that's his moniker right there, is anonymous and highly respected Bitcoin analyst, and believes that the bottom is in. He believes that 15,500 that we hit was the bottom, and we're most likely in a new bull market. He says we're at the despair part of the chart. Sorry, correction. He says disbelief, not despair, disbelief. So he believes we are here, right? Now, on the flip side, you have Gareth Soloway, who believes we still have another leg down. And both of them cite key metrics and indicators, such as the relative strength index and the upcoming halving event and the realized price, as evidence for their predictions. So Gareth Soloway believes we are here. We still have another leg down to 10,000 and 9,000. And Plan B says we're here. I don't know. So the TLDR is that nobody knows. So enjoy the positivity we're seeing right now in the crypto markets with this rally, but remain a bit skeptical. If we break above, they say about 25,000, and we hold that, then I think Gareth Soloway will change his opinion. And if we break back below the low 20s or into the teens, then maybe Plan B will change his prediction. So I don't know, but just want to share that with you guys. Great video to watch. Has a Bitcoin bull market begun? Here's what Plan B has to say. So you can watch that if you want to get more details on that. All right, so that was a quick wrap up. Hope it provided some value. Hope you understand how the buybacks are going, what the future will look like for the drip ecosystem. And there are lots of things being developed. I'm still working in the dark right now. And I got a meeting actually in about 30 minutes with some of the people for the team that I put together for this super secret, game-changing project in the health and fitness space that I think can be bullish not only for Drip Network, but also revolutionary crypto adoption as well. So we will see, and I will keep you guys informed as we get there. So again, you know the drill. Smash that HO special, help brother out, like, comment, subscribe down below, and until next time, live daily and achieve your impossible. See you. Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real-world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.